Welcome to the module number 6 of the digital marketing course. In the previous modules, we have talked about what is digital marketing, why digital marketing, different channels of digital marketing, the ways to earn using digital marketing, and how to start with digital marketing. And in this module, we are going to talk about why you must have a website to learn digital marketing or to actually go ahead and earn money using digital marketing. Because if you don't have a website, you can't prove to the world that you are a digital marketer. Because as I told you about the different digital marketing channels, all of them have to be associated with a website. Okay. So why you must have a website from a digital marketing learner perspective as well as from a business perspective? Because I don't know, as a viewer, if you are just a student of digital marketing or you are an actual business owner who has plans to use digital marketing to grow and scale your business. Okay. And even if you are a student and you are going to apply for a digital marketing job wherein you are going to work for a company and eventually a business, then you should understand that why a website is must for any business. So that way you will know that a website as a digital marketing asset is required to do what all things in the market and how it can help beat the competition and get more and more business for your employer or for yourself if you are going to do it for your own. Okay. So why you must have a website? Let's get started. First of all, it's your online real estate. Okay, I told you in the initial videos that when we have to advertise our business on a billboard, on a hoarding, it can cost a lot. But when it comes to website, when you have your own website, you can actually charge people to pay you money for displaying ads on your website, and obviously that's going to be cheaper for that client. Okay, but still it's going to give you the money because you just have to place one image with a link to it. All right. And since I am mentioning the word online real estate, it means that the bigger the advertisement on your website, the more you can charge for it. So obviously it's your online real estate, but if you know how to use it as a real estate. Okay, so this can be one of the strategies where you can earn from your website as well, the display advertising part that I talked about. But it obviously has a lot of more meaning than just getting paid for displaying advertisements, because as a business you might not be wanting to display your competitors ads on your website, right? Because you are a businessman and you want to advertise your own products and service. Then does the word online real estate suit you? Yes, it does. Because as long as your website traffic is increasing and increasing and increasing, and one day you decide to sell off your business, or you want to sell off your website, based on the quality of your website, you can get a lot of money. Okay, just the domain name that you have for your website, like the name of your website, if that becomes popular like a brand, and if you decide to sell it off, you can generate ton of money out of it. Okay, you can get a lot of people who would be interested to buy your website. Okay, that's why it is online real estate. Just like an offline real estate and offline property, you can go ahead and sell off your website as well if you want to, or you can keep building up its value, and then you showing that value to the world, you can capture and acquire more and more business for your website, for your own business, whatever it might be. All right, so I hope you are clear about the word online real estate, how you can actually modify it and manipulate it into the business format that you are in. All right, then the second reason that why you must have a website is that it depicts professionalism and it establishes your credibility, because your customers expect it nowadays, to be honest. Okay, if you have a product but you don't have a website, people are not going to believe that you are a real business. Just imagine how you perceive any business who doesn't have a website, and in comparison to who has a website. Obviously the one who has a website, it shows that the person has invested into building a website and showcasing their products and services, and they are real because they have a website. Okay, maybe they don't have a physical store, but since they have a website, people are going to believe them more, because that's how digital has become nowadays with the advent of internet. All right, so it's a must to have because your customers are expecting it. And when customers obviously get to know about your brand from some other source, like maybe they get to know about you from social media or from a friend, but to confirm that you are a real business, they're going to look out for you on Google, or they might type in your domain name and check how good are you as a business website. Okay, how good your business website is. Okay, so it will depict the professionalism, the way you build your website and the way you position yourself to the market, the way you position yourself as an expert. Okay, and I'm going to tell you how to design your website. So obviously you're going to learn that, but you need to understand that why you need to have a website. The reason is the customers expect it. It depicts the professionalism and it establishes your credibility in the eyes of the existing customers or the new customers that might be coming, the prospective customers who are going to be your customers after looking at your website. Okay, so that's why it is really, really essential. Then the next thing is that it is required for attracting traffic from search engines. I already told you that for SEO to work, for attracting free or paid traffic from Google search engine or Bing search engine or Yahoo or any other search engine out there, you will have to register your website, okay, into these platforms. And for that to happen, you must have a website first, isn't it? So if you want to attract free traffic and long-term traffic, for free or using paid methods from search engines as well as on social media, just like I told you about how it should be, linked to your website, because social media, organic social media reach is diminishing. Like, you might be getting some results out of LinkedIn or Instagram today, but in the upcoming times, these platforms are going to, push only for the paid advertising channels, so that they get more and more money out of you for sending traffic to your website. So ultimately, if you are using the organic social media platforms, okay, organic social media techniques, we are going to talk about them, obviously. You need to have a website, because where will you send these people to after promoting them? Okay, you just can't rely on social media. I told you a lot of businesses have been shut down because social media platforms changed their policies. Okay, so the advantages that we have as of now for social media, we are going to use it towards our own website itself. Okay, so that's why you must have a website. Then the next thing is, a website can showcase your products and services, and it can market them 24/7, even when you're sleeping. All right, in India, your audience might be sleeping, but in a foreign country like the US, where there is a time difference, people can go ahead and buy your products online. So you are actually making money while you sleep. That's what an advantage of a website is. Okay, other than that, you can offer social proof. Your website offers social proof because a lot of people might have commented on your blog posts regarding the content that you have created, or they might have left positive reviews and testimonials about the products that they have bought from you, about your courses, about your services that you offer, right? That way, even when you you don't know a new lead that is looking at your website right now, but that lead is actually getting convinced in its mind that if a lot of people have been helped by this brand might help me as well. So you don't have to do the marketing yourself. Your reviews, your testimonials, your customer comments are actually the marketing material that is available, present on your website, doing the marketing job for you, eliminating the objections of the customers, and eventually turning into a sale for you, which means more money and more business. And who wouldn't want that, right? So you must have a website for that to to happen, because social proof will be there on your website for a longer amount of time, because you are in control of your website. Okay, then showcase your expertise and establish you as an authority. Like, you are somebody who has come up with a new mobile app or a new service, okay, and you want to position yourself as an expert in this industry. So what are you going to do? You are going to do the content marketing part. You're going to create valuable content for your audience to understand that what is the problem that you are dealing with, and how you can help solve that problem for your customers with the product that you have made. And that way, people will get to know that, okay, this person is an expert in this industry, and he has already thought about all the problems and challenges that I can face, okay, with regard to this product, or with regard to this problem that I already have, okay, and how this company has gone ahead and provided solutions that are easy to use and are very helpful for me. So obviously, I'm going to buy from them. That way, you can showcase your expertise by creating content, and it will help you establish as an authority in your domain, in your industry, and you can beat your competitors, okay? Because your competitors might be really good with the product, but they are not creating content. But as I told you, that content is something which is being perceived by people as a source of expertise, okay? They believe the websites who have good content available there, because it means that they have done the research and they know what they are talking about, and they have used that knowledge to create the product or service that they are selling, and this makes them a more appropriate choice for spending their money to get their problem solved, or to get their interests enhanced, like I told you in one of the initial videos. Okay, so the main point is that using a website, you can showcase your expertise, and your website can establish you as an authority. And the last one is that a website can encourage people to contact you. Just like in case of blog comments, you can create a contact page wherein people can fill up a form and they can reach out to you with their own query, or there can be a service related form where people can tell you that I'm interested in these services of you that you offer, and I would like to contact you, I would like to talk to you, I would like to get onto a meeting with you, I would like to schedule a consultation call, maybe a paid consultation call, maybe, or maybe they want to hire you to speak at an event. That can also happen. Okay, you can get some booking arrangements as well. So that way, when people can contact you, when they know that, okay, this website is there, which is controlled by the owner of the business, obviously they will be more willing to engage with you, and this can mean more and more repeat business for you in future, and new opportunities of business as well. So now you totally understand that what are all the different reasons that a website is a must for you. Okay, as a student of digital digital marketing, you now know that why a business would even hire you for what are they trying to achieve out of a website, out of doing all this marketing. Okay, so now you know that why you must have a website. And even when you have your own website, you can try to get some results for yourself, using the reviews or the blog comments, the social proof that your content is really great, or you can attract traffic from search engines. You can, get some leads. You can start doing email marketing, and then you can show that thing to your employer or to your future clients that I am good at it. All right, that I already have got results out of it. Okay, then that person will believe you and will hire you, and that will obviously mean more money for you. And if you are a business yourself trying to do all these things for yourself, obviously we as a business, we need these things to happen to us, and a website is the place that can help you get started on this journey and get the results that you desire. Okay, so now you know why you must have a website. Now in the upcoming videos, I am going to talk about how to build a website, what all is needed to build a website, and now we are going to move into the technical stuff, all right, on how to go ahead and set up your website. What all things do you need to understand? Okay, so this is going to be obviously in a number of videos, so I will not overwhelm you with all the information in just one video. So stay tuned. We are going to learn everything step by step, and it's going to be a very enjoyable ride. Where you are going to see that how without coding, it's really simple to go ahead and build a website and even offer that website designing service to the clients around your vicinity. Okay, or maybe anywhere around the world. It depends on you, on how you find that lead, find that customer for yourself, and earn money, which is eventually the goal out of this digital marketing course. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. This is Bizgurukul signing off. Bye bye.